It's another unboxing video. It's another unboxing video. Not the intro I was going for, but you know what? It's a start. What is happening, guys? I'm TechSource. Welcome back to another unboxing video. You already know the deal, so let's not waste any more time and dive right in. How would you like your very own tech expert to help you make smart purchasing decisions? Well, that's what today's sponsor is. Lustre is a free browser extension that does extensive product research for you and guides you on making the best possible decision for your budget and needs. Let's say you're shopping around for a new gaming mouse and you don't know which one to buy. Well, Lustre will immediately tell you which ones are the best for your money. You can actually see why they chose the products they did by checking the reviews and ratings from sources you already trust, like Wirecutter, Reddit, and even other YouTubers. Lustre also tells you if a product is on sale by comparing prices across many retailers like Walmart, Best Buy, and Target so that you are always getting the lowest price. So if you want to make sure your money doesn't go to waste on crappy products, then make sure to download and install Lustre for free by clicking my link down below. Man, that didn't take long at all to come back with another unboxing video. I hope you guys didn't miss me for too long. So as always, we're starting with the small boxes and making our way to the big boy boxes. We're starting off with something from Amazon. Oh crap! We got the new 11th gen product box, you guys. I can finally use this in my B-roll. I've been waiting for it for the longest time. Let's go and open this up real quick. Oh, this box looks so freaking cool. I'm actually digging this box. Like actually, the design of it is really cool. How does this even open? Okay, it opens up pretty difficult. What's this inside? Oh, it's the 11900K.
What? What the fuck?
But yeah, guys, check out this freaking box design. It is gonna make for amazing B-roll. I'm digging it. What do you guys actually think has the best box design? I'll be right back. Do you prefer the 9th generation retail box, the 10th gen, or the new 11th gen? Let me know in the comment section. Personally, I think the 11th gen looks the coolest, followed by a close second with the 10th gen, and then last but not least, the 9th gen. But yeah, an awesome way to start off the episode. I don't know who the hell sent me this box, but I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I'm already happy. All right, next up we have the Ridge. Ooh, the Ridge as in the Ridge wallets, perhaps? Yes, indeed. We do have, looks like a Ridge wallet. Okay. Fancy seeing Ridge back here. I think I've opened up a few things from them like many unboxing videos ago. What's interesting is that they only sent me one unit. And you guys know any extra items I get in these unboxing videos, I put them in the giveaway pool and I give them out to my Discord members. But unfortunately, I only have one wallet. Looks like they sent over their forged carbon fiber. So yeah, pretty straightforward. I'm sure you guys have heard of the Ridge wallet at this point. It's pretty much a replacement for your current wallet. It's supposed to minimize your everyday carry. So you can fit up to 12 cards, plus there's extra room for cash. You can even put the cash over here on the clip. There are over 30 colors and styles to choose from, including the forged carbon fiber that we have here and a burnt titanium as well. If I'm not mistaken, I think Father's Day is coming up. It's right around the corner on June 15th, I believe, or something like that. I think this will make a great gift for your dad, especially if he's still rocking that bulky, heavy wallet. Don't you guys think it's time? He deserves better. But there is a code here actually you guys can use if you visit ridge.com/TS21 and put in the code TS21, you can get 10% off your order. So thank you guys so much at Ridge for sending this over. You guys are awesome. All right, I'm gonna open up this box next because it's got KBD fans on here and I got a pretty good idea of what's inside here. So a lot of you guys know I teased in the last unboxing video that I'm planning on building a custom keyboard, and I showed you what that keyboard is gonna be. I'm going with the Rama Iced M65 II, but oh my god, yes, this looks so damn amazing. Look at this. I wanted to pick up a supplemental or additional numpad to go with my keyboard, and well, I found this baby on the Kbd fans website. The Kbd Pad Mk2 in the milk option. This thing is gonna look so beautiful in my setup. And of course I can't go without a numpad, so this is going to be the perfect new addition to my setup. Got the PCB here. Unfortunately, this is not hot swappable and I don't know how to solder things on, even if my life depends on it. So I'm gonna have to send this to Bugs and have him do the dirty work for me. So yeah, pretty excited for that build. The keyboard build is coming up, guys, in a few weeks, so don't wanna miss that. All right, this appears to be the next biggest box, or it's actually not even a box, it's a bag. You have quite a few of these as well. What is this? Moonstruck crystals. What in tarnation? Moonstruck magic awaits. What is this? What the hell? This is interesting. So there's two of these things in here. There's literally no context or description anywhere on the box. And I did not order this, so who and why? Bro, there's nothing in here. I've been bamboozled. There's literally nothing in here. Is the new improved version invisible? Maybe that's what the update was. There's literally nothing in here. Is this some kind of joke? Okay, let's open up the other one. It's so advanced, you can't even see it. I swear to God, if there's nothing in this box, I'm gonna grab a keyboard and snap it in half. That's my new thing, in case you guys haven't noticed. I snap keyboards now, or at least I attempt to. There's something seriously wrong. I think I'm doing something wrong, right? Did you just send me the damn bag? Ah! I hope you're happy, Delta Hub. I hope you're happy. I've never felt more embarrassed, more cheated in my life than I have with the last unboxing. Anyways, moving forward, let's hope the rest of the products are inside the boxes. We have an interesting box coming from Israel. Oh, okay. This is the first package I've got from Israel. Oh, we got some, I thought it was a custom keyboard cable at first, but there's something else in here. There's a little note. Hey, thank you for the opportunity of me sending you my 3D printed sign that I custom made just for you. Hope it will come in one piece. Custom sign for me? Oh, this is pretty cool. Look at that. It's got my logo on there. Oh, is it RGB? Can it be RGB? I gotta power this thing on. Let's take a look. This isn't gonna blow up my face, is it? If I power this on. Oh, it's USB powered, so let me grab my laptop. Oh, what? That looks freaking cool. Look at that. That is awesome, dude. Thank you so much, Hal, for making this. I'm definitely gonna have to find a place for this to put on my setup. That looks freaking cool. You got my logo perfectly made too. This is sweet, dude. And there's a controller too. Oh, that is sweet. That is so freaking sweet. That is freaking sweet. Thank you so much, man. This is actually one of the coolest things I've gotten in a while from a subscriber. You rock, dude. All right, next up is from Voxel Mods. Voxel Mods, never heard of it. And thank you for the years of entertainment and inspiration. Your build in the Lian Li PC09 inspired me to spend years modding and working on my own PC09, and I wouldn't be here where I am without that. Enjoy the labels. Huh, what do we got? Oh, okay. I definitely dig this. Custom cables for the keyboard, I'm assuming? Yeah, these are for keyboard for sure. Oh man, we got the white on whites. Just in time. How did you know I'm working on a keyboard build? I mean, you probably saw the video, obviously. Oh, so we got two different variants. We've got a straight coiled, and then we got the, what is this called? The 90-degree coiled. I'm not sure which option I'll go with. Depends on how I want to route the cable for the keyboard, of course. But we also have an aviator as well. Perfect color scheme. I wouldn't have gone with anything else. White on white is the way to go. Thank you so much, dude. From Voxel Mods. Voxel Mods for sending this over. This is gonna look sick in my new upgraded setup later this year. Alright, here's one of the most beat up boxes I've seen in the history of unboxing videos. This definitely has to be in the top 5. Look at the condition of this thing. Looks like it went through a freaking tornado. $16.30 for postage. My guy, this is not even worth $1. Whatever this is, and whoever sent it over. That was something expensive. I can't believe you shipped the ROM on this box, my guy. So, a lot of you guys know I'm building in the M65 Iced. I couldn't resist also getting the milk, and that's what this is. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that! She's a thing of beaut. Oh, with the PCB is already installed on here. Why? I guess I'm gonna have to do some extra work on this one, but yeah, I haven't even began building my first keyboard and I'm already ordering parts for my second one. I feel like it's too late now. There's no turning back. The custom key market has grabbed me by the balls, unfortunately. But yeah, I'm actually super excited to work on this one. I feel like the milk is going to match my setup a lot more than the acrylic or the M65 Iced. But we'll see, we'll see. I just gotta find matching keycaps for this one. Next up is, don't know what this is. Oh, it says one netbook on here. Okay. Oh, this is interesting. What is this? The 1X player. Huh? What is a 1X player? Sounds interesting. Sounds like a gaming console or something. Oh, it is a gaming console. I didn't even see the freaking picture in the front. Oh my god, this thing is massive. Come on. Come on. How big is too big? Are you serious? This is like twice the size of a Nintendo DS. Really? You gonna play this? You look so weird in public playing on this massive screen. It's like playing on a tablet. Damn, dude, this thing is also heavy. You can get a nice workout playing on this. Oh, it's got a kickstand in the back too, so if you're watching movies on here or videos, yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's power this thing on actually. I'm really intrigued. So inside here you get the, I'm assuming, charging cables. You got USB-C to USB-C, and we got the power brick, and that's pretty much it. So this thing apparently has almost $2 million in funding on Indiegogo. This is a handheld gaming device with the latest 11th gen Tiger Lake U i7 processor. It's got an 8.4-inch IPS display with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, so the games are gonna look extra crispy on here. Aside from that, the device comes with a 15,300 mAh battery, which will get you up to 10 hours of video playtime, but it is power bank compatible, so you can juice this up on the go. You also get up to 2 terabytes of storage on an M.2 PCI SSD and 4,266 MHz frequency on the RAM. I can see now why this has so many backers on Indiegogo. Damn. How do you turn this on? Oh, it's got Windows 10 installed on here, so this is basically a mini PC you can put in your hands. So I'm guessing that's how you play games on here. You just install the games on here using the game browser, and you can launch the games straight from the actual player. Hell, you can even connect this to a 4K monitor via USB-C cable if you want a game on a bigger display. It's literally like a PlayStation Vita with a Windows operating system installed. I really want to launch a game on here and see how well it handles it. So I'm gonna install a few games and then I'll be right back. All right guys, so I'll load up CSGO. We're gonna play some deathmatch on here just so we can test the performance out of this device. Already it's taking some time to load in the game. I can hear the audio lagging a little bit. There we go. So the joysticks don't work. If I change it to mouse or using the joysticks, let's see if that changes anything. Okay, here we go. But I can't move. Why does the joystick change weapons? How do I access the menu, dude? What is this? WASD? There is no WASD buttons. I can't even program the damn... I want the joystick up to move. Why is this so difficult? Why is this so difficult? Oh my god. You know what? I give up. All right, let's try something more straightforward. Dirt 5, which is basically a racing game. I don't think you can really go wrong here. And we got joysticks too, so I think this is okay. So we have an error. Let me try launching this again. Doesn't seem like it wants to play nice with Steam. All right guys, so maybe the third time is the charm. I am currently downloading Forza Horizon 3 straight from the Microsoft Store, so I'm not using like a third-party game launcher. Hopefully this will work. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for this to finish installing and I'll see you guys really soon. All right, Forza Horizon 3 is finally installed. Please, for the love of God, just let me play. I just want to play one game on here. This has potential. Unsupported graphics card. Okay, well, this was fun. This was really fun. Who would pay $1,000 for this junk? Honestly, I feel so bad for the 2 million backers for this product. This is not a finished product. I guess if you want to play like Rocket League or Minesweeper, Tetris, games like that on here, it's fine. Or maybe even some emulators would be fine. But honestly, this thing is way too giant anyways. I would not play this. I would not play on this console. Moving along, we've got, I don't even know anymore. I'm just gonna stop talking and unbox stuff. We got a bag in a bag. Oh, we got 2 bags in here, okay. Oh, what is this? From Kbd. The new, what is this? The wall lights. Oh, this looks freaking cool, dude. Is this like the a LifeX beam alternative? It is. You guys know those LifeX beams, right? Super, super expensive. They're actually out of stock too. I've been trying to find a couple of them to buy for my setup, but can't find them anywhere. But luckily, I'm actually glad I didn't because those are really expensive. I think these are a more budget-friendly alternative to the LifeX beams, and they're from Kbd, so we know they're not crap. I'm curious how these work. So you can, oh, so you just basically connect them like this. There's some clips over here. Okay, the execution isn't quite there, that's for sure. There we go. So they snap together like this, and then there is 3M adhesive on the back, so you just peel it off and then you stick it on your wall or whatever surface you want. I want to see how the lights look when it's turned on. Oh, you get 6 of these, okay. So you get 6 tubes in total, and there's only one corner adapter, so you gotta use this wisely, unfortunately. I don't like the connection. This definitely needs some work, Kbd. If you're watching this video, this is very, very difficult to connect. Okay, let's turn this on. Oh, there's the one button. What the hell? How do you turn this on? Usually the remote has a button. Well, that's a little unfortunate. Let me go in the Kbd app and see if I can connect to it real quick. Oh, we got something. Oh my God, these are bright as hell. This is max brightness, actually. Let's go with teal. Let's go with blue, purple. This is about 30% brightness. Oh, the lights are nicely diffused as well. This is pretty cool. You can definitely tell like the quality isn't there. There's some gaps between each connection and they're kind of loose. But once you stick this on the wall, I feel like it'll be nice and secure. All right, here we go. Now we can actually see these things in action. Damn, this is just one of the scenes I can go with. Let's do strike. Bouncing ball. Greedy snake. Damn, this is pretty cool. This is actually pretty damn cool. I'm definitely loving the direction that Kbd is heading towards with their RGB products. I feel like they're making all of these really cool RGB products more affordable for us, you know, compared to the more expensive alternatives out there. I'm really waiting for Kbd to come up with more affordable nanoleaf panels. I want these guys to go up against the damn monopoly that's out there right now, the nanoleaf panels. I own some myself for the office and the home. That's why I'm not afraid to call them out because that shit is expensive, you guys. Okay, 500 bucks for a set of 15 nanoleaf panels, that is absolutely ridiculous. So I cannot wait for these guys, for Kbd to come in and take those guys out of business because I've had enough. I've had enough of those expensive panels, you guys. I want them to be more affordable for a bunch of people out there. A lot of people can't afford nanoleaf panels because they're so damn expensive, and it's just not fair. Nobody can do anything about it because they're literally the only company out there that offers that. But anyways, I'm gonna try and find some pretty cool ways to implement this in my new setup. Thank you, Kbd, for sending this over. Oh, right, that was pretty interesting. Oh, we got some stuff from Moft. This is the same company that makes the foldable stands for smartphones. It's the same one I'm using actually in the back of my phone. If you guys have seen the last Cool Tech video, then you know what I'm talking about. So apparently they have one for a laptop. This is a pretty cool laptop stand. And then we have a Magsafe phone stand and wallet for the iPhone. Let's check these out. Let's take a look at the Magsafe card holder first. So I'm taking a risk by peeling off my adhesive one. I've had this for a little over 6 months now. Let's see how this one sticks on the back here. It's Magsafe, so technically it's magnetic. Oh, that's cool, okay. I mean, it's kind of, it's not that loose. I guess it's fine. Still does the job of holding the phone up, okay. Can it support my 3 cards though? Let's give this a shot. So yeah, as you can see, if you're sliding in your cards, it's gonna come right off. So adhesive is more permanent, of course, but I guess if you want the option to remove it from your phone, it's better to go with the magnetic, but it's not as secure as the adhesive. So I'm gonna have to actually hold down the wallet as I slide my cards in. Okay, still fits 3 cards, it's still magnetic, and it still does the job, so not bad. Technically, you can still hold your phone too with it, but honestly, I wouldn't trust a $1,000 device with this. One wrong mistake or one wrong movement and this is gonna fall straight down into the cement and you're gonna regret it. So I wouldn't use the phone holding feature, I would just use it to kind of prop my phone up. So I would use the stand feature and the card holder feature on this. But anyways, moving on to the laptop stand instead. This is actually more interesting to me. Some really nice packaging, okay. Oh, there's a bit of heft to this. So this is a 5-in-1 laptop stand. Very similar concept to the card holder, but this is designed specifically for laptops. You definitely have to get used to this, that's for sure. There's a bunch of things you can do. I have no idea how to even use this thing. Okay, here's one option. So there are 5 different modes you can go with. There's a standard mode, 60-degree angle, 45-degree angle, and then we got 35 and 25. There's also a little diagram here to kind of help you on creating the perfect angle. So let's do the standing mode real quick. So there you have it, standing mode. This is kind of like a spare table. So if you're sitting down and you want a place for your laptop to sit on, there you go. This can also support up to 22 pounds, which is impressive considering there's nothing really holding this together other than the magnetic flaps on here. So obviously the main selling point of this is that it's super thin, super light. You can put this in your laptop carrying bag or your bag or whatever, and you can take it wherever you want. So pretty cool. Thank you, MobZ, so much for sending this in. I can definitely find some good use for this. All right, the show must go on. PCI cable, that's all it says on here. PCI cable, like for the graphics card? Whoa, what is this? Black Widow, fully modular? What, 700 watts? This is not a power supply. It says a gaming PC power supply, but I know for a fact there's no power supply in here. This is way too light for a power supply. What is this? And who packaged this? Jesus. Box is so beat up. Looks like they just used the box for it. RGB GPU riser cable. What? Really? Okay, now I'm really interested. Oh my god. What have we not made into RGB at this point? I feel like we have everything already. Ladies and gentlemen, a GPU riser cable is now available in RGB. Holy sh! I've seen it all, ladies and gentlemen. 5-volt, 3-pin RGB header is all you need, plus a SATA power cable to give it some power. Oh my god, that's impressive. That is actually impressive. You know what? We have an extra one. Let's toss it in the giveaway pool. Thank you so much, Azza, for setting this in. I already know what build this is gonna go into. All right. Honestly, there's nothing else that can impress me in terms of RGB. We have every single square inch covered for PCs, you guys. Name something that's not an RGB. Thumb screws. They're gonna be making thumb screws in RGB. Oh, is this a graphics card? I think it is. What do we got, baby? What do we got? Do we really need this much bubble wrap? Oh, what is this? I've never actually heard of this. It's an RTX 3060 from Palette. There's no actual picture of the graphics card, so let's open this up and see what we got in here. Palette. It sounds familiar, but I can't seem to paint a picture of what Palette is. Oh, I think they make those super shiny cards with the crystal. I think they're from Palette. We have an RTX 3060. Oh, this is a super cute card. Okay. Dual fan design. A single 8-pin PCI connector. Look where the PCI connector is. It's right in the middle. I'm not digging that at all. But damn, this is a super light card. Like,
A few minutes later.
Never doing that again. I'm done flipping freaking graphics cards in my hand. Even though it's just a 3060, I'll be very sad if this dropped. But thank you so much, Palette, for sending this in. I will have to do something with this card for sure. All right, we got something from Habit. I think there's actually 2 boxes from Habit. Yep, that is the 2 boxes. I know Habit, they make peripherals, I believe. Keyboard, mice. I think they make headsets as well, if I'm not mistaken. Judging by the shape of the box, I'm just gonna assume that there's gonna be some keyboards in here. Yes! All right, 4 keyboards. So we got the KB390L, which is a smaller layout, and then we got the KB395L, which is the longer layout. So we do have some extra ones, so we'll do one longer one and one shorter one. Into the giveaway pool, please. We'll figure out what those keyboards are in a bit as soon as I unbox these. So let's start with the smaller one. Oh, okay. We got a pretty sweet looking, low profile TKL keyboard, it seems. Blue switches. Of course, they're blue switches. Let's put this one aside real quick and open up this one. I'm guessing this is the full size version. Okay, so same exact design. We got the low profile, but we have the full size version. Let me guess, also blue switches. So this is the new Habit low profile mechanical keyboard. The budget TKL version actually comes in either Kale Reds or Kale Blues, whereas the full size is only available in Kale Blues, unfortunately. The cool thing about these keyboards, obviously, other than the minimalistic aesthetic with no bezels, is that you can also control the lighting using their software. So you don't have to rely on those function keys on the keyboard just to change the lighting. Actually, only the TKL keyboard is the one you can't control the lighting on. It comes with blue backlighting by default. I don't know why companies do blue backlighting as the default color. I feel like white would make more sense, but I digress. I kind of like the design of the keyboard, to be honest. It has this chrome chamfered edge that goes around the entire keyboard. Kind of gives it a nice premium look, even though it's super light and flexible. But yeah, if you guys are into low profile keyboards, definitely check these guys out. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of low profile, but if this is something that floats your boat, check them out. We do have one extra full size and one TKL to give away in the giveaway pool, as mentioned earlier. Thank you so much, Habit, for sending these over. What do we got next? I'm losing my voice slowly but surely. I'm just stretching. This is nothing exciting. Or maybe it is. We got the Anchor. We got the Nebula by Anchor. This looks like a portable pocket projector. Huh. This sounds interesting. Pocket projector. Can you really put it in your pocket? I feel like if they're gonna call it a pocket projector, it's gotta fit in your pocket, right? We'll do a quick pocket test. Okay. Oh, I almost broke the damn box. All right, let's do the pocket test. Oh, I mean, I guess technically it fits. I mean, who would put this in their pocket though? If this slides in a little bit closer to the front, it will look very weird, especially in public, right? You got this thick thing just hanging from your leg. Is that a projector in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? So I got some bad news, you guys. My sit and stand desk is officially broken. Oh, shit! When I lowered it down to show you guys that this can fit in my pocket, it hit a few boxes, and I think it threw the entire table off balance, and the desk no longer works. I can't raise it, I can't lower it. It's got this weird error message. I tried resetting it, powering it off. I even called customer support. I spent about an hour trying to fix this desk, but unfortunately it's broken. So I went on Amazon and I ordered another one. So far I'm negative $300 for this video, so that was fantastic. So yeah, in the meantime, the show has to go on. Unfortunately, I do have to finish this unboxing video today, so I have a temporary solution. So I basically decided to prop up the desk using two 27-inch Asus monitors that I had laying around. So yeah, this will be my temporary fix until the new one arrives later this week on Sunday. All right, so where were we? So the Nebula pocket projector. So this here is a 720p projector that can project up to 100 inches. You get up to 4 hours on a single charge, and because of the way it's designed, you don't have to put this directly in the center of the screen or the wall. You can actually go into the settings and adjust the angle accordingly. So this works with both Android and iOS devices. So if you're using an iPhone, for example, you just have to enable screen mirroring if you want to cast the content straight from your phone. For outputting only in 720p, the quality is actually not bad. The image is nice and sharp with vibrant colors. I mean, I would definitely watch animals mating on the Nature channel. This is a pretty cool compact projector to travel with. Thank you so much, Nebula, for sending this over. So we are down to 8 more boxes, actually. Oh, what? Let's go, baby. If I can get this out of the box. Oh, that's a thick boy. That is a thick boy indeed. The new Power Color 6700 XT, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Hellhound in Spectral White. I think this is Power Color's only white graphics card. Let's take a closer look at this bad boy. It's a 6700 XT as well. Nice. So it's more on the low end, more, well, I shouldn't say budget, because let's face it, the GPU prices are ridiculous right now. So even though this is more on the low end of the 6000 series from AMD, it is not cheap at all. Oh, okay. That's a pretty good looking card. Oh, even the PCB is in white. I've actually never seen this before. PCB, the backplate and the shroud, everything is all in white. That is awesome. Even the PCI bracket. Are you kidding me? These guys really thought of everything. Normally, like all white cards leave the PCI bracket in the chrome or the silver color. So I'm glad they actually went ahead and painted everything. That's so crazy that the PCB is in white as well. That looks freaking amazing. The attention to detail on this card is really good. 2 8-pin PCI connectors for a 6700 XT. That's actually interesting. But yeah, this is one good looking card. I definitely have to put this in an all white build without a doubt. Thank you so much, Power Color, for sending this over. Next box coming from Pottery Barn. Pottery Barn, what is that? Pottery Barn, sounds very familiar actually. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is from Pottery Barn Kids. Elephant something baby blanket. So this is a baby blanket. Oh my god, it's got my daughter's name on here. Oh my god, that is so freaking cute. How do they custom make this? Oh, that is so cute. Look, it's got her name on there, Shayla. Oh my god, who is this from? Karma. Wow, Karma, thank you guys so much. This was unexpected. Thank you guys so much for this. Oh, my wife is gonna go insane. And I know Shayla for sure is gonna love it. This is such a comfy blanket. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. I can't thank you enough. This is an awesome gift. Thank you so much. All right, we're getting to the bigger boxes, guys. We are almost approaching the main event of the evening. So we got a box from TP-Link. Okay. Oh my lord, they hooked it up. They hooked it up. Oh my god, no way. Damn, dude, this is actually nuts. TP-Link with the hookup. We got the new Wi-Fi 6 range extender. We got a 5-port 2.5G multi-gigabit desktop switch and some more routers. Oh man. But more importantly, the Deco X20, ladies and gentlemen, the superior mesh Wi-Fi system from TP-Link. This thing covers up to 5,800 square feet. That is absolutely nuts. It's actually perfect timing too, because a lot of you guys know I'm moving to a new home later this year, and my new home is more than double the size of my current home. So it's about 4,500 square feet. So this is gonna cover all of my Wi-Fi needs. It says it's ideal for 4 to 6 bedroom houses, so once again, perfect. So if you guys live in a pretty big home as well, and some parts of your home have weak connection or have dead zones, then this will definitely help you out. You basically hook one of them up to your modem and separate the other two across your house, so your entire home gets Wi-Fi coverage. It works with both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands and supports up to 150 devices. TP-Link is gonna be sending 3 extra units of their mesh system, so let's go and add 3 of the X20s to the giveaway pool. Thank you guys so much at TP-Link for sending these over. I think this is the next biggest box. This is from Z-Edge. Z-Edge. I am actually losing my voice. That's great. What do we got from you guys? All right, we got quite a few things actually. Let's go ahead and open up this box as well. Portable monitor. Yo, we got 2 portable monitors. Oh, that's upside down actually. Did we actually? Yeah, we do. We have 2 of them. Portable Air Inflator. What? Oh, we got 2 of these. You know what? Let's open up this box too. I just realized it's also from Z-Edge. So, might as well. Ah! Why do I keep doing that to myself? Here's a fun drinking game. Take a shot every time something falls in my unboxing videos. Oh, no, they didn't. No, they didn't. This is the first time I've unboxed something like this in a while. Like, in a while. Alright, so we do have some extra products in here. So let's go ahead and toss one of the gaming monitors, one of these portable displays, and one portable inflator to the giveaway pool, please. So let's go ahead and put these aside real quick. Let's take a look at the smaller stuff first. So the first thing is their ring light. It's a Quad HD 1440p stream webcam that has a built-in ring light attached to it. That is actually pretty damn cool if you ask me. So it looks like you clamp this on the top of your display, and you can even move around or adjust the angle of the webcam. So there's a bunch of tilt and swivel options. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And you can even mount this to a ball head or a tripod because it does have a mounting hole on the bottom. I might actually use this during my streams. I have my main camera looking at my face, and then I'm gonna use this to either point directly to my keyboard or maybe my PC. But I definitely wanna have 2 cameras during my streams. And then we got this interesting thing, the portable Air Inflator. Oh, it's in blue. This looks pretty cool. So this is basically a high-tech portable air inflator. It works with all types of tires, from balls to bicycles, motorcycles, and even cars. You basically just swap the valve head with the appropriate one. It's one of those things where it's really good to keep in the trunk of your car just for emergencies. Oh, it's even got a built-in pressure reading right on the LCD display. That is very useful. And then we've got their Z-Edge portable monitor, the Ultra 2, they're calling it. All right, so it comes with its very own cover, which I'm guessing you can fold into different stands. Let's see. So here's one angle, and then you can fold it towards the back side. Oh, this one's like more of a standing one, okay. You guys get the idea. You can flip this into actually three different angles. So this is basically a 15.6-inch IPS monitor. It's 1080p resolution and it's capped at 60 Hertz, so it's not the best for gaming. It's more of a supplemental secondary monitor for your setup, or I guess you can technically play console games on here as well. So there are 2 ways you can connect to the portable monitor. One of them is through the USB-C port, and the other is through the mini HDMI. And luckily they did provide all the necessary cables for that, so that is great. And then last but not least, we have this bad boy. A 25-inch IPS gaming monitor. 144 Hz refresh rate, 5 millisecond response time, with a frameless border. I guess it's technically not gaming because it's 5 millisecond response time instead of 1, but let's take a look at it anyways. I'm curious what the price of the monitor is, so can we please put the price of the monitor somewhere on the screen? I would assume this has to be less than $200, judging by the specs. Okay, here's the neck piece. I wish there was a toolless installation. I hate messing with screws. The good thing is it's VESA compatible, so you can mount this to your desk or your wall. All right, here she is. Damn, they weren't kidding when they said frameless. Look at the bezels on this thing. Damn! So yeah, pretty solid gaming monitor. I think it's priced a little too high compared to the competition out there. $200, you can get some pretty nice gaming monitors with a 1 millisecond response time. But yeah, thank you so much, Z-Edge, for sending these over. Alrighty then, we got 3 more boxes, ladies and gentlemen. We are nearly done with the unboxing video. But it feels like I can go on for another hour. Yeah. Why? Why you do this to me? Bruh. This is a long box. What the hell could possibly be in here? Whoa! What is this? The Lank Intelligent Monitor Stand with hub. Which hub are we talking about? Born for gamers. Whoa! This looks freaking cool. This just looks like one long monitorizer. It's got a built-in LED strip on the bottom there. Interesting. Let's see what this thing's about. Okay, we got the feed in here, the remote to control the lighting, and a USB-C to USB cable. I'm guessing, well, this is obviously used to power it on. We got one side. Oh, the feed actually goes in fairly simple. So here it is. This is the monitorizer. Let me power this on actually. Oh, here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is one cool monorizer. If I'm being honest. Let's do something different. Oh, that's so sick. Damn. Oh, we got the rainbow. Of course we got the rainbow. That is freaking cool. All right, so first off, there is a big 15-watt wireless charger over here on the right. So you can charge your smartphone or Qi-enabled devices. That is pretty damn cool. On top of that, it's got a built-in fingerprint reader down here, which is supported by Windows Hello, meaning you can log into your Windows account with it. You can purchase things from the Microsoft Store or whenever a Windows password is needed. So instead of putting in your Windows password or passcode, you just use your fingerprint instead. Pretty damn cool, but we're not even done yet. It's even got built-in Bluetooth and a Wi-Fi adapter as well that supports up to 8 devices with both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands. And you even have a built-in USB hub on the right side. 2 USB 3.2 ports and 2 USB 3s. This will pretty much eliminate the need for you to buy an extra USB hub. You get all of this packed inside this sleek, stylish aluminum monitor stand, which I think will look great in any setup. But personally, I think a white one would look even better, especially since white setups are becoming very popular. Imagine this monitor stand in white. How sick would that look? Thank you if you're watching this video. Please make a white one. I definitely want to build a setup just so I can use this. So thank you so much, Lank, for sending this over. Oh, this is by far the most heaviest box I have here at the office. Actually, no, I lied. The second heaviest box I have. The Blue Yeti. Kind of sounds like the Blue Yeti microphone. Blue Yeti. What is this thing? Okay. Whoa, what? What? Is this a mini fridge? It's not a mini fridge. Oh, Jesus Christ, this thing's heavy. God damn, son. That thing is chunky. Ugh. This looks like a portable generator. It is, isn't it? It is. The Blue Yeti portable power station, ladies and gentlemen. Damn. This is the power brick, okay. So the charges through there. Let's see if it has any juice, actually. So it looks like we got 60% of juice left inside here. I actually like the LCD display. It's crystal clear. But damn, look at how many inputs this thing has. So this is a portable power station. It's basically like a portable generator that you can take with you on trips. Instead of using gas like the old school generators, this is all battery powered. And you get up to 2,000 watt-hour of output out of this thing. This means you can charge practically anything, from smartphones to laptops, appliances if you're camping outdoors. You can even power on a console. This thing has 17 outlets, you guys. You can charge and power up to 17 devices at the same time. This is basically just one massive power bank on steroids. This is going to be very useful actually for our camping trips, and more recently actually we're going to July 4th. At the beach, so this is gonna basically power our entire trip. This is gonna be put to good use. Thank you so much, Blue Yeti, for sending this in, and you picked a good color too. I approve of red. All right, 2 more boxes, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to pass out. Man, it has been a long episode, and with the desk breaking and everything, it's been definitely an interesting episode, to say the least. So this is from AIM Controllers. I already recognized the box from the last unboxing video. They make custom controllers for the PS5 and the Xbox Series X. Oh my god, did they really send me more controllers? You guys are seriously spoiling me. Oh, they got gaming mice as well. Look at that. Oh my god, we got gaming keyboards and even mice in here along with their controllers, it seems. Let's go ahead actually and open up the keyboard first. I had no idea they actually make keyboards. What? All right. Pretty cool full-size mechanical keyboard with blue switches. Let's put this in the giveaway pool. Oh, we have an RGB extended mouse pad with the AIM Controllers logo in the center. We have 2 of these, so let's go ahead and put 2 of them in the giveaway pool, please. Got a couple custom gaming mice, so let's go ahead and put both of these in the giveaway pool. I'm actually curious to see if they sent any different designs. Oh, they sent Xbox controllers too with the new logo. Oh, now I got a matching controller to my PS5. I don't like the Xbox controller feel. I don't know why. I don't know why. Oh, You guys didn't have to. You guys didn't have to. They sent me another one because remember the last time the paint was scraped off of the logo. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, Aim Controllers. I know small stuff like that kind of bother me, but you guys didn't have to put the extra effort to send me a new one, but I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. We've got another one with the TS logo. I think these are all custom TechSource controllers. Oh, we've got an OG PlayStation 3 controller. That is cool. I'm gonna actually just collect these. I'm gonna like put them on a display or something. This is really sweet. We've got another one, same PS3 controller. And last but not least, we have another PS5 TechSource controller, all in white and red color scheme, looks like. So yeah, thank you guys so much, Aim Controllers, for sending this over. Once again, let's go ahead and put 5 of the controllers, 2 keyboards, 2 mice, and 2 mice pad in the giveaway pool. You guys are awesome, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the main event of the evening. Whatever energy I have left, I have saved and reserved for this joyous occasion, because today we are unboxing No, no, please, not like this, not like this. Ah! Today, we are unboxing. Why is this so damn heavy? The table's too high. Normally I would lower the table, but I can't. It's freaking broken. I'm pulling my back out today, I know it. I'm glad I saved my energy for this. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're unboxing the new MSI Aegis Ti 5. MSI's newest pre-built PC to hit the streets. I need to go to sleep after this. Oh my god, there's another box in here. Oh my god, there are clips. There are clips up here. That's what it was for. Man, this is definitely one of the biggest boxes I have opened up. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh man. Man, oh man, I'm so excited. What does this even look like, dude? It is not in the normal shape of a PC. Woo! Sheesh! Look at that. That is a PC. Damn, that is one Tron looking case. Looks so futuristic. Oh, this is so cool. Damn. Let's power this on, shall we? Damn, I can't get over the design of this case. That is definitely an interesting PC to have on your desk. Oh, it's even got headphone hangers on the sides here. You can hang up to 2 headphones. That's pretty cool. So the big question here is, what specs are we dealing with over here? Oh, that's cool. It's got an LCD display in the front. Oh, it's animated too. That is so cool. I bet you can customize that. Let's use one of the monitors I unboxed today. Take a look at the specs. So let's play the guessing game again. I'm gonna guess 8-core processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and maybe an RTX 3070. Maybe even a 3080 actually. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know why I need to warm up to check out the specs, but I gotta get the blood flowing. Let's see what we got in this beast. Here we go. The Meg Aegis Ti5, or is it Aegis? One or the other. We got a 11900K. Oh shit, so it's a 10 core. No way, no, it's the new 11 series. I forgot they took 2 cores away from us. So it's an 8-core 16-thread CPU, 131,068 megabytes of RAM. What the hell is all that? 131,000? Am I reading that correctly? It's getting late, guys. It's literally it's almost 9. It's almost 10 p.m. here. 131,068 megabytes of RAM. That doesn't even make any sense. How is that possible? Is that like 128 gigs? Is that supposed to say 128 gigs? I'm confused as hell. I am confusion. Anyways, 130,000 megabytes of RAM. So 130 gigabytes of RAM. That's the first time I'm seeing that. That must be a typo or something. That's actually nuts. I'm not making this up, by the way. I'll post a screenshot somewhere on here so you guys can see what I'm looking at. Storage, we've got, holy shit. This thing looks like it's maxed out. We got 1 terabyte of M.2 storage. We have a 2.7 terabyte, so 3 terabyte SSD and a 1 terabyte hard drive. God have mercy on my soul. I wonder what kind of graphics card we have in here. An RTX 3090, no way, no way. Let's go. Oh man, this is my favorite unboxing. Holy shit. We have a freaking 3090 in here, which makes sense. I mean, look at the goddamn memory capacity. Jesus Lord, 131,000 megabytes. Oh my God. Good night. It has been fun, ladies and gentlemen. I am out of here.
A few minutes later.
So this is MSI's latest pre-built gaming PC, the Aegis Ti5. It comes in this super cool futuristic case. Now this is how you design a pre-built PC. This is something I would proudly display on my desk, but imagine if this came in white. Like, how cool would that be if this entire thing came in white? I feel like it would be way more futuristic or alien-like if it wasn't white, I feel like. So MSI and Intel have partnered together with this build, and they sent over an extra 11900K for me to give away. Oh, it's the 11900K. Oh. Okay, now that makes sense. Let's go ahead and put the 11900K in the giveaway pool, please. Unlike other pre-built PCs that make it difficult to upgrade parts, the MSI Aegis Ti5 gives you easy access to all the parts. So if you do want to upgrade your parts later down the line, then it's gonna be much easier. I mean, not that I'm gonna be upgrading anything inside the system since it's already maxed out, but if you guys do get the lower end model, then upgrading the parts later down the line will be a lot easier. But I gotta say, my favorite feature from the PC has to be with the front dial. Using this dial, you guys can do a lot of different things. You can rotate the dial and select whatever game you want to play and then press it to launch the game. You can also use the dial to switch between modes. You can put the PC on silent if you're doing just work and you want the absolute silence. You can also put it on balanced if you're doing slightly more demanding tasks, but you still want to keep the fan speed to a minimum. Or if you're gaming and you want the most performance out of it, then you can set it to the extreme. I also like the built-in headphone hangers on both sides, so you can hang up to 2 headphones if you like. I do want to give a huge thanks to Brent for sending over this PC. He is the real MVP over there at Worldwide. He is also the same person that sent over an extra gaming laptop to be given away on a previous unboxing video, so I appreciate you, Brent. And of course, a huge thanks to MSI and Intel for partnering together and making this even possible. And that will do it for today's unboxing video. As always, if you guys enjoyed the series, do let me know by tossing a like before you head out. And as always, I'll drop a link to everything unboxed down below if you guys want to check it out. Here's a full list of all the items being given away on my Discord server if you guys want to participate. Links down below to join. But if you guys are going to join the server, please, please, please read the rules on the top left corner. Read the information and read the rules before you do anything. Otherwise, if you break the rules, you'll be permanently banned and you won't be able to join the server. Please don't bug my staff team. Don't do anything to ruin your chances to participate in the giveaway. All the information you need will be in the announcement section and the rules and info. So please check those out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go pass out. I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.